And yes, welcome. Here we are, episode 100. Happy New Year, Espresso Sesh number 100. We're gonna play a best of. In these 2 years of radio programming, we have a lot of guests in the house, and we have a lot of music for you today. These are Eyes on the Shore, Happy 2018. I want to give a shout out to Roger and Antonio and Marco listening. Auguri Dario. Happy New Year, bro.
She moves so good, she moves so slight. They fly with birds and then she flies. She moves so good, she moves so slight. They fly with birds and then she flies. So natural, so natural. She got the good. So natural, she got the time. So natural.
Yes. That was Locura Amarantos. Happy 2018, happy episode 100. Give a shout to Jesse, give a shout to Achille. That's Richard right here. And this was Kendra McKinley with Kenyon Cody, and you're listening to Espresso Sesh episode 100. Happy New Year. These are the Blue Hours. And these were the Blue Hours, another San Francisco band. Yeah. It's a pleasure to play the Blue Hours for the Best of Espresso Sesh. They were here maybe in March of 2016.
I do. we talk so loud? How can it be that no one else hears you? You always demanding, do it, do it. I do, never leaving my side. My lovely bride. You deliver God in mind. Each day since I was 11. Why do you lie to us with your fairy tales of Jesus, promising good times ahead when we are the dead, never leaving my side, my mail order bride, my sweet bride. Why don't you show your face? I'll try and try to dig you out of your face, but you're too deep inside. Yeah, you place you can hide. And look at the grace. I could never get to that place. You deliver your mind to each day since I was 11. Why don't you lift your head? So coy with your skin so pale, promising good times ahead. When we are the dead, never leaving my side. My beloved bride, always by my side. My sweet bride, my sweet bride, my sweet bride. Do it, do it. I do, I do. Do it, do it. I do, I do. Do it, do it. I do, I do. I do, I do. I do, I do.
And these are Electrodomestico, and you're listening to Espresso
Grow your
Sesh.
business with top talent.
And this is Espresso Sesh episode 100, and you're listening to... This was Electrodomestico, and now it's time to... Electrodomestico is Jane Widlin and Pietro Straccio new project. They've been here a couple of months ago, maybe it was June. Now it's time to play another one from Mofono, Ernie Fresh, and Egyptian Lover. And, we have a playlist here on Spotify. You have to look for Espresso Sesh, and you're gonna find some of this music I'm playing tonight. Trying to build this playlist along the way with the artists featured in this radio show. And I don't want to play you the commercial out of Spotify. So you gotta listen to my voice. It's time for Mofono. Hold on, hold tight. beautiful people watching us, watching me on Facebook. Yes, I can bring people to the live video if you want. Join me. A couple of seconds more. Be on the air. Try this technology thing. And 1 and 2. Live from BFF.FM, The Secret Alley.
The ultimate team, striving to stay alive and reaching the dream. More safe to say, fat cap, gold cats with executive crates. We get the loot out in a hurry, never looking away. Hindsight is 2020, but I'm living the day. Robbing from the devil and giving to the poor. Octeric, North Face, West Coast explore. With the cut from creator, there ain't nobody greater. I'll be swinging silver shakers while they fucking gold faders. Blasting all suckers who be down the cloud. Cold seal on the wheels and I'm knocking them out. Follow them latex, stickers and hot pants. Dookie bombs, hold up, Bob, homie, ain't no chance. Terminate your system, rack, attack, and blist them. 10 points a month, cause a brother don't front. No stranger to danger, never seen the Star Spangled. Dedicated short shot for the Chrome Angels.
Oh yeah.
Clock strikes upon the hour and the sun begins to fade. Still enough time to figure out how to chase my blues away. I've been alright up till now. It's the light of day that showed me how. But when the night falls, my lonely heart calls. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. I've been loved and lost my senses, spinning through the town. Sooner or later, the fever ends, and I wind up feeling down. I need a man who'll take the chance on a love that burns hot enough to last. So when the night falls, my lonely heart calls. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Somebody who loves me. Yeah, somebody who can hold me in his arms, boy. I need a man who'll take the chance on a love that burns hot enough to last. So when the night falls, my lonely heart calls. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I somebody who loves me. Don't you wanna dance with me, baby? Don't you wanna dance with me, boy? Hey, don't you wanna dance with me, baby? With somebody who loves me. Don't you wanna dance? Say you wanna dance. Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna dance? Say you wanna dance. Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna dance? Say you wanna dance. With somebody who loves me.
Espresso Sesh. That was
Dear sweetheart, all your dreams will come true and soon. Dear sweetheart, all your dreams will come true and soon. Get it together, baby. Any serenade will do. Get it together, baby. Any serenade song will do. If I was thinner, I'd take you out to dinner. If I was richer, I'd paint your picture. I'm not actor, but I want action. I ain't dangerous, baby, just a distraction. Listen, baby, let nothing else you hear bother you. Listen, baby, keep a clear-eyed view in front of you. Keep it together, baby. Let me show you something new. Keep it together, baby. Let me show you something new you can do. If I was thinner, I'd take you out to dinner. If I was richer, I'd pay to paint your picture. I'm no actor, but I want action. I'm dangerous, baby, just a distraction. take you out to dinner. If I was richer, I'd pay to paint your picture. I'm no actor, but I won't accept. I'm dangerous, baby, just a distraction.
And these were Parlo Tricks. You're listening to Espresso Sesh, best of 2 years of Espresso Sesh, episode 100. And give a shout to Sano Grego, yes. Ciao Floriana. Ciao Carmelo. And you're listening to Espresso Sesh episode 100 live from BFF Best Frequencies Forever, BFF.fm. That was Inspector Gadget with Ismail Lomanovsky. Some Balkan music out of the Bay Area. How are you doing today? I see Antonio Maresca. Give a shout to Carmelo and Radio L1 Lentini. Love you. Much love. Much love. It's a beautiful day in San Francisco. It's January 2nd. It's episode 100. We are playing a best of with lots of music with artists featured on the past episode of Espresso Sesh. It's been a nice ride so far. No? It's been 2 years. This is the beginning of the third year. It's episode 100. It's episode 100. Make you feel like, oh wow, it's the triple digit. Oh wow. It's the triple digit, and you're listening to Espresso Sesh. It's time to listen to some of my voices. See, Happy New Year, Josie. Yes, Happy New Year, Happy 2018. Hopefully, you guys had a beautiful holidays. Lots of food, lots of good friends, lots of love, and a positive vibe. Hopefully, yes. And now in these excursus of the past 2 years, it's time to play some David James GPS music. This is the Black Ops. And you're listening to Espresso Sesh. My name is Mino. And this beautiful music is under the name of Dave James GPS. Another guest was here at Espresso Session. This too beautiful here with you guys, with us. And we keep going. That's another artist was here at the very beginning, Trans Van Santos.
Wish I was a walking man, no talking man, a rocket man. I wish I was a seed man, just a bee man, a seed man.
Shout out to Pinto.
I wish I was a growing man, a knowing man, I would show it, man. I wish I was a seed man, just a bee man, a seed man. I wish I was a better man, a go-getter man, a love letter man. I wish I was a fighting man, to put up your dukes, let's go at it, man.
Trans Van Santos, Rocket Man. This is from Belgium. Hold on.
my ways, and all my enemies go down in a blaze. Whoa, now. I'ma wake up in the morning, destruction is all I see. My people live in badly, and the children in poverty. While the rich is getting richer, which makes me extremely sad. When we gather and rise up, society label us bad. That's why I wake up and drop on my knees. Say a little prayer to the Almighty, to bless him and bless those all around me. On this road to Zion eventually. Whoa, now. Every single morning when I give praise, that I live righteous through all my days. Jah is the light that shine my ways, and all my enemies go down in a blaze. Cause who feels it knows it. Carry a smile on them face, then I go show it. Politicians make the promises and blow it. Trick the people for them votes and then exploit it. Whoa, now, Babylon.
Hallelujah.
The children on the forefront, it's a showdown. We're sound and power, righteousness, make it show now. Resignate throughout the children, name and glow now. Make it glow now, make it glow now. Shoot to sway now. People make it glow now. Shoot to sway now.
And you're listening to Espresso Sesh episode 100, best of Espresso Sesh, featuring music from artists that have been guests in the studio this year and the past year.
That I live righteous through all my days. Jah is the light that shine my ways, and all my enemies go down in a blaze. Whoa, now.
And this was all the way from Belgium, Paul Dor. He came here last year, I think I was around March, last year, I mean 2016, around March. It's been a long ride, it's been, so far, it's nice and good. This is the third year starting, Espresso Sesh. yes, here we are, Espresso Session. You cannot rely on music streaming service, but always rely on yourself. Why don't you play records instead? Spotify is playing the music for us tonight, and it's doing its worst probably. But you're listening to Espresso Session. This is episode number 100. We made it for 2 years. We survived for 2 years on the airwaves. Any donation is always appreciated because we are doing this out of our love, and without you listeners, this station cannot be here alive. So, you can hit the donation button and donate any dollar, any euro, any sterling, any pound, whatever you want to. And keep going with the music. Let's play some Lior Ben-Hur. He was here as well last year, I think. This is Lion.
You hear me now, Lion. This journey with music, anywhere, everywhere. So can you hear me now? Sing. Strong like a lion, fragile as a man. In this journey I remain. Good God. Strong like a lion, fragile as a man. In this journey I remain. Calling for Zion, can you hear me well? I am ready, I'm prepared. For early age melodies are playing in my ears. I hear so clear sounds of music and I feel no fear. But now it's near. I freed the child in me to break in tears. Cause my mama left this world when I was 15. On my own in Babylon, rough years of things bring a lesson, salvation through expression of music, possession and something to long for. I've been giving it to myself, no restraints, on and on as I go. So I grow from highs and lows, If I fall, I rise. In this life, this ride, music is my guide. Strong like a lion, fragile as a man. In this journey I remain. Good God, calling for Zion. Can you hear me well? I am ready, I'm prepared. Only Jerusalem, but have no faith. Slavery in my vein, freedom in my name. I struggle to define success when I'm obsessed to pursue my music as my happiness. But to make a living, no guarantee, that's the reality. No way to see any security. So be what meant to be. I sing and trust Jah provide for me. I've been giving it all myself, no restraints, on and on as I go. So I grow from highs and lows, If I fall, I rise. In this life, this road, music is my guide. Strong like a lion, fragile like a man. In this journey I remain. Yes, I'm calling for Zion. Can you hear me well? I am ready, I'm prepared. See, I am ready.
Yes, you're listening to Espresso Session, and this is the episode 100. There was Lior Ben-Hur with the song Lion, and we're gonna play lots of stuff for the guests they've been featured in the show in these past 2 years. And we also have a nice Spotify playlist called Espresso Sesh. Guess what? Espresso Sesh. And we featured some of this track right here. And it's been 2 years so far. It's been 2 years with great music. and with great company, like great company for sure. It's time to play another track. These are the Afrofunk Experience. Afrofunk Experience, legendary Bay Area band. They was also Grammy nominated back in the day, like a few years ago. From their latest album, Never Be the Same. This is called Istanbul. And you're listening to Espresso Sesh. Best frequencies forever. And yes, Afro Funk Experience in Istanbul. You're listening to Best of Espresso Sesh, episode 100. She's Elisa Sun. The song is called Unravel.
Please, oh please, make the siren stop. Oh, watch with dust to settle heavy man.
Ciao Chiara.
Now the boat to rock. Oh, can't steady the tide. Oh, this pony mine. Call me down from planet Earth. Wake me up, oh, shake off my nerves. Oh, then push me to sleep. I can feel the sand on my skin. You're without, I'm within. Where you've gone, I've been. Bring me back to life. Oh, spring me new. Oh, it's beginning to unravel me, and you bring me back to life. Oh, fly me through. Oh, can't wait another moment to unravel me, unravel me. It's an uphill climb, this heart of mine. Feel like I'm 2 steps from tumbling down. Couple feet off the ground, all black and blue. Ooh.
Espresso Sesh number 100. This is Will Maggot. Auguri Cucino. Espresso Sesh number 100. This was Will Maggot, and now it's time to listen to some Leandro Joaquin, BFF.FM, best frequencies forever. Happy 2018. Ciao Luca.
Nem confunda sedentarismo com ociosidade. Faça algo por você, nem que seja só por caridade. Não confunda sedentarismo com ociosidade. Faça algo por você, nem que seja só por caridade. Profusão de som, confusão de ser manipulação. Profusão de som, confusão de ser manipulação. Somos todos os mentores dessa trama. Somos nós os propulsores dessa máquina de lama. Somos inventores desse drama. Porque no fim do mês o que te falta é grana. Te usam como escada pra ter pulso de bacana. O cara que te prega é mesmo o cara que te engana. Pra ele caviar pra tu cachaça cana. Porque no fim do mês o que te falta é grana. Não confunda sedentarismo com ociosidade. Faça algo por você.
Buon anno Fabio, come stai? And with this trumpet of Leandro Joachim, you're listening to Espresso Sesh episode 100, best of Espresso Sesh. It's time to play another one. Gringa, Brazilian band from the Bay Area.
I'ma build a home, I'ma make it strong, make it stand alone. So that you understand how serious I am about our future plans. I'll give you all I can, so I'm the biggest fan. And then you'll never leave again. Because I love you, so together's how our story ends. I remember how we came to be. There was you, some friends, and me at Shoji Hegi. I was a little shy until I met your eyes. Suddenly my destiny I could plainly see. And all my neighbors always stared. But my mama had doubts about our controversial affair. Though I'm insecure, I always loved you more. My life with you to share became my only care. So I'ma build a home, I'ma make it strong, make it stand alone. So that you understand how serious I am about our future plans. I'll give you all I can, show you the biggest fan, and then we'll never leave again. Because I love you, so together's our story ends.
And these are Gringa, you're listening to Espresso Sesh number 100. Now it's time to play some Loco Tranquillo. Tranquillo. Hi, Jonathan.
Las flores blancas que descansan en tu interior. Yo las cuido, las riego, les doy todo mi amor. Ah, ah. Les doy todo mi amor. Palma blanca, abrázame, que tengo frío y me muero. Sin
Thank you, Jaretta. Happy New Year. All the best for the and great vibration.
el invierno frío pasa. El abrigo mío es tu calor. Y yo paloma blanca, ya no hay temor. El invierno sopla sincero, primavera sin sol. El invierno frío pasa. Y yo la encuentro. Abrigo mío es tu calor. Y yo la encuentro.
And from the dreamy sound of Loco Tranquillo, we go on more like gritty reggae, rock steady music with Mr. Romanowski. And you're listening to the best of Espresso Sesh. After 2 years of show, this is the first episode of the third year. Yeah.
I thought our love was strong. We ain't getting it on no more. Well, you just playing it on. Leaving me lying on the floor. Oh, I can't hide it. I need to find it the way I feel inside. Oh, we were united, you decided, yeah, to run and hide. I thought our love was strong, but now I just can't sing your songs no more. You have to sing along.
Thank you, Jaretta. I don't know what's going on with the donation button, but yeah, but much appreciated. Grazie.
I can't hide it. I need to find it the way I feel inside. Why you got it? You decided to move along.
yeah, we stay on the Caribbean vibration here from the Bay. Another artist, Justin and Cheetah Band, you're going to listen to right now. Espresso Sesh. Number 100. 100.
Seasons start to change from summer to fall rain and back into winter again as we start to display. We're overconsumed, we're breathing these fumes. We're getting harder to live without thinking of you. I don't want your war machine. Stop making babies crying. I don't want your war machine. Stop making babies crying. Is a fool on the street, why he use what he need? No to you for your greed, making me really see it's a better predicament if I just close my eyes. Make a system without greed or compromise. Evolution is spirit, generation to pass. Make a new order that take down the capitalist, crack the whip to enslave up our shores. To consume, they consume it, we become the slave. But we knew what had happened and our backs turned around. Belly at the beach, living for 200 years on our ground. Just breathing these fumes. It's getting harder to live without thinking of you. I don't want your war machine. Stop making babies crying. No. I don't want your war machine. Stop making babies crying. No. I don't think it will last, the vision will pass. A day when I see time and nothing but an obstacle. Beauty in my mind that will make me whole.
And this is Justin and Cheetah Band. You're listening to Espresso Sesh Best of 2000, best of 2 years of Espresso Sesh. It's been episode 100. We've been doing like this almost every week with guests. It's been a long ride. It's a fun ride, love ride, so much fun. Thank you guys. We're still doing it. We're starting the third season. And before that, before the 101 episode, it's going to be next week with live guests. I'm not going to tell you who's going to be here, but it's going to be a nice one. And it's been a nice ride so far, 100 episode from this small room, beautiful room. Espresso Sesh best frequencies forever. A couple of more seconds before going into some Afrolicious music remixed by Second Sky and Thomas Blondet. Is the song Badem Malou. We're gonna go 3 and 2 and 1 and no because there's another spot from Oral-B. In the meanwhile, Julie Hensley is watching. Hi, Happy New Year. How's it going? Thank you for watching us on the Facebook Live. Thank you for listening us on BFF.fm. We are on TuneIn. We are like in, you can listen to us on the website. You can listen to us on the internet. The dial is BFF.fm. And this is Badem Malou. Espresso Sesh. And these are Afrolicious in Thomas Blonded and Second Sky remix. And now it's time to play another San Francisco band. They go by the name of Soltron. And this is the song Arroz con Gandules. And you're listening to Espresso Session. Happy New Year, Fabio. Yo, Happy New Year.
Más y más con hambre y dolor. Yo lo que tengo es mi música ñamita y el arroz rico que me hace mi mamá. Arroz con gandules, como lo hace mi mamá. Nadie lo hace como mi mamá. Arroz con gandules, ay qué bueno que está.
And it's 3:35 in this beautiful day in San Francisco, January 2nd. After listening to some Soltron, it's time to listen to another Mission District Band, My Crew.
Cada vez que miro tu carita solo quiero yo vivir. Aunque el mundo se me caiga encima y todo esté contra mí. Trato de encontrar esa rendija por la cual poder salir.
Que no todo nos hace sentir bien. No es siempre lindo ver atardecer. Del dolor, nostalgia y miedo, siempre que se pueda. Cosas de las que hay que aprender.
Cuando quedo yo con los panitas y nos vamos a rumear. Esta noche vamos todos de fiesta y queremos vacilar. Y todas estas cosas tristes hoy las vamos a sacar. Esta noche de nosotros y la queremos gozar.
Cuando pregunto en la calle, ay, todos me dicen que no. Pero yo conozco a dos chavales, cuando les diga esta arena no vale, todos a celebrar. Sé que no todo nos hace sentir bien. No es siempre lindo ver atardecer. Del dolor, nostalgia y miedo, siempre que se pueda. Cosas de las que hay que aprender.
And these are some flamenco vibes here, because you know we love music without any border, without any boundaries. So we like to play the music that sounds good, and it doesn't matter where it's the genres, where it's coming from. Actually, this music is coming from San Francisco. These are My Crew, and it's time to listen to Sicilian Heavy Project 2, Espresso Sesh. And this Urban Godfather Sicilian Heavy Project, it's time to switch to the next artist. She is Madeleine Tascan from the East Bay. And this song is called Another Trip Around the Sun. You're listening to Espresso Sesh. This is episode number 100, the best of Espresso Sesh, featuring music from guests that they've been here present in the studio, guests in the past 2 years. Hopefully you are liking this show. Check out Madeleine Tascan.
Our hearts take us places our minds can go, and stairs that lead to nowhere fool us, and sticks and stones when names break our bones, while children spin on merry-go-rounds. Raindrops fall into their right places, fall leaves nowhere to go. So why am I so afraid just to be alone between my thoughts? Another trip around the sun was over just before it had begun. What just happened? Did anyone notice? Another trip around the sun was over just before it had begun. What just happened? Did anyone notice?
And this is Madeleine Tuscan. Here, BFF.FM Espresso Sesh Best of. It's time to Barakamoon. Bismillah. You're listening to music performed, recorded by artists that actually been in studio, guests in the past 2 years. Here, BFF.FM. Thank you so much, Jaretta. Thank you so much. Much appreciated. Yes. Thank you for supporting live radio.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Habibi, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Habibi, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Habibi.
buon anno gigante! And this Baraka Moon. You're listening to Bismillah Baraka Moon, and you're listening to Espresso Session BFF.FM, best frequencies forever. This is episode number 100. 100. We made it to this number now, to this far. We are still making it, we're still doing it. It's a pleasure to play like best of selection of the artists they've been playing here. They've been performing or being guested, actually physically here in the studio in the past 2 years. So this is where Baraka Moon it's time to play The Genie right now. This is the song called Camera. Ciao Alfio, buon anno. And this was The Genie, Camera, the song from Crystal Mirror Part 1 album. It was here like a few weeks ago. In the meanwhile, we are playing this best of Espresso Sesh, 2 years filled with wonderful music, wonderful artists, beautiful people, and beautiful listeners too as well. Yes. After that, there was The Genie, local artists as well. It's time to play some Funkadelic remix by some DJs and producers from San Francisco, Tom Tom and Mofono. It's 3:50 p.m. I'm about to play a couple of last songs and then pass the mic to the Astral Projection Radio Hour for the first episode of 2018. Hopefully you're having a good time. There's like 10 minutes more of the show. 10 minutes more of the show. And you're listening to Espresso Sesh. And you're listening to Espresso Sesh. Thank you, Spotify, for your advertisement. So if you go to Spotify and look up for Espresso Sesh playlist, there's going to be a playlist featuring some of these songs and more of the other songs that you've been listening so far. And Yes, yes, yes. Here we go.
On Westbound Records.
Espresso
It's something
Sesh.
else.
And I thank you so much for listening or watching us here for episode 100. I think this is gonna be the last one for today. Much love and happy new year. Thank you for your donation, Jared. Thank you for watching us. Thank you for listening to us. See you next week. Mr. John Vanderslice is gonna be in the house here. And enjoy the last 10 minutes of this show. Some good music. Espresso Sesh number 100. My name is Nino. Thank you. See you next week, same time, same station. BFF.FM. Espresso Sesh.